How to replace a Toro Z Master Clutch. The Toro Z Master series is a selection of riding lawn mowers manufactured by Toro that feature their zero-turn technology to make cutting in confined spaces easier and to provide more mower maneuverability. These mowers feature Briggs Stratton engine assemblies that include a clutch shaft that can become damaged or faulty to the point where full replacement is necessary. Fortunately, you can disassemble the necessary parts of your Toro Z Master mower to access and replace your clutch without any professional assistance. Things you will need: socket wrench, flywheel pulley, rubber mallet, replacement clutch shaft. Open the hood of the Toro Z Master mower to access the engine block. On the right side of the engine block is the spark plug, which can be identified as housing the ignition wire. The black ignition wire inserts into the rear of the spark plug. Follow it away from the plug back and up to the flywheel. The flywheel is a large, strikingly circular part with a cover that bears several visible bolts. Remove the bolts on the Toro Z Master flywheel's cover with a socket wrench, then pull the cover off. Take out the center bolt on the exposed flywheel with a wrench. Place a flywheel pulley tool over your Toro Z Master mower's flywheel. Tighten the bolt at the center of the flywheel pulley until the flywheel pops loose completely. Leave the tightened flywheel pulley over the flywheel for an extended period of time if the flywheel doesn't immediately pop off. Pressure will build up over time, and you may have to wait several hours in more extreme cases. Remove the Toro Z Master mower's oil pan, which is below the engine. Loosen and remove the pan's securing bolts with a socket wrench, then slide the pan out of your way. Remove the bolts on the Toro Z Master mower's clutch shaft. You can find the clutch shaft now that the oil pan and the flywheel have been taken off the engine block. The bottom of the clutch shaft can be seen where the oil pan was removed from the bottom of the engine block, while the top of the shaft is visible directly under when you remove the flywheel. Remove the bolts securing the shaft at both these points with your wrench. Use a rubber mallet to strike the top of the clutch shaft now that it has been loosened by the removal of its bolts. The Toro Z Master mower's shaft will pop free. Slide it out. Slide replacement Toro Z Master mower clutch shaft into its place, then secure it with the previously removed shaft bolts. Reassemble the oil pan and flywheel by using your socket wrench to reinsert their respective bolts. Do not forget to secure the flywheel cover over the flywheel with its set of bolts. Close the Toro Z Master mower's engine hood.